like Malkangiri to Hyderabad, and then from Hyderabad to Bangalore one day. Like it would be a 2 day trip. We'll be covering around 500 odd kilometers per day. And in Hyderabad, we'll be staying at some friend's house or something like that. But then what happened in Odisha? So basically, every year, some or the other post monsoon, this what do we call cyclone happens, and it's like very much obvious. Like if it has not happened, it will happen soon. So with that thing, during our time of trip only, that during that time of trip only, that cyclone was declared, and the government declared holiday for government schools and all. And my mom is working as a government teacher, so she was afraid, like, no, government is giving holiday this and that. So holiday and all, and my mom said no, delay it by 1 week or something. But Abhijit had his office, and I was basically working from home, so I was okay with that. And any weekend travel we have planned that. But one fine Saturday night, that is August 30, August 30 or something. We planned that, okay, we will travel on Saturday from here. We will see how much kilometers and all we can cover, and then next year we will cover the rest like that. And we started our journey at 6:15 as usual, a bit late. 6:15 in the morning. We had our prayer. Bowed down to our goddess nearby our home, and from there we left for. There was no such particular destination that we need to reach this much by this much, this much by this much. We didn't have. We just kept on driving. We covered the Sufi Ghat, and then we got to Samudarampur, then Vijayanagaram, then Vizag, which is basically Visakhapatnam. And when we were crossing Anakapalli, that time it was getting cloudy a bit. And we were all ready for the rain if it hits very hard. Also, we were ready only, but not so much well prepared, I would say. Then what happened? While crossing Anakapalli, it started drizzling a bit, and when it started, we were like, it will be raining a bit, but the cyclone has moved a bit. We checked the app, the cyclone moved a bit south, and it was coming behind us. And we were like, oh no, what do we do? We thought that the cyclone will be moving towards Hyderabad, so we will be moving like this coastal region and all. But it was like totally following us, the route we took. And from Anakapalli, we decided like we will wear the raincoat and we continue to drive. And then we kept on driving, and it was around 280 kilometers something from our home. We have covered that much distance, and it started pouring like cats and dogs. And then we were like, no issues, let us continue. But our shoes are not waterproof, our shoes are not riding shoes, and raincoat was like okay-ish kind of thing. And then what happened? We were not getting wet, but oh, what's that? What's that? What's that? What's that? Mongoose. Mongoose. Right, mongoose. What? Oh, it's mongoose. So we drove around. Drove from Anakapalli to Vijayawada in rain, basically total rain. And our speed was like average speed dropped down from around 90, 100 to somewhere around 70 due to rain, because the visor was not clear. It was getting foggy inside. If we opened, we could not keep our eyes open, and somehow we were driving a bit slow. And then we got totally drenched at one point. And then Avjit said like, bro, I need to get a bit dry. Then I said, okay, let's stop at a fuel station. We'll fuel up, and then we'll get all the like clothes a bit dry. Then we'll move ahead. We stopped at the station. Like it was a long stop kind of thing. Then we after he got dried up, like I was not so much wet because my shoes were waterproof, and the Rhinox was performing good. Rhinox jacket, like rain cover. The pant was a zero. Pant was getting a bit wet, and then where I am going, let's see. Okay. 4 minutes over. Okay, so we were getting to. We were talking around and about around, and not sure in which village, which area I am in. I'm just driving with the help of maps, and driving and talking. Camera. And tomorrow, this when it footpath gets wet, the shoes slip. No, it's a bit risky to paddle in this wet condition. Oh my god, too much. Okay, so actually today what has happened from last couple of weeks, or like 3 weeks almost, I have been sitting on my computer for 7-8 hours, then using like getting in doom scrolling for 4-5 hours. So like my far vision is like a bit blurry. My right eye, left is fine. If I close my left eye, like it's very much hazy, and the left eye is proper, so like somehow it's manageable. Okay, and we were talking about. Okay, I am covering from the outside of the village. And we were almost wet and all, he got dry, and we started to move ahead. And it was so much raining, and like we were like totally, we can put that visibility, zero visibility, that like that kind of meme. Okay, so it was totally like that, and somehow we reached Vijayawada. Oh my God, crossing Vijayawada is a task, man. And there is no city bypass. You have to go within the city, and you will face heavy traffic. And somehow we reached our hotel, got some booze, got the food, had our food. We had our booze and then we had our food.